Alright everybody, this is what I did. Candle holder, again, thank you Thingiverse. I just did a basic slice, I believe it's 50% on the setup. It just got finished. So I'm sure it's probably tough to whack out of there, so hang on a second. I will hit it, get it removed, and then we'll take a quick look at it. Alright, so I just hit it real hard, it came flying off. This is what it looks like. On the inside, pretty lightweight, just a generic standard candle holder. I'm gonna put together another one, just do a reprint, see how it works out. It's hollow all the way through from the base, but again, this is what I got from the model. It took 8.5 hours. I think the first one took 9 hours to print, but anyway, there we go.